Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have some dip powder nails that we will be doing. Thank you so much to Azure Beauty for sending on over these two dip powder kits. One is 12 pieces and the other one is 8. So I'm really excited to just embark in creating these nails. I haven't done dip powder nails in a while, so I was excited that they sent this on over to me. So here I'm just quickly going to open everything, show you what it includes, the instructions guys, along with the rest of the items. And by the way, we will be doing some really cute medium-sized dip powder nails using full coverage tips from Naz Cat. And I will also be doing a step-by-step tutorial just in case you guys are interested in creating these type of nails at home or trying them out if you've never done so before. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, thank you so much to Azure Beauty for sending on over these really nice dip powder kits. In another video, I'll be doing another set with the other one that I did not open, so I'm saving that for another video. But here I'm just sizing out my tips along with the nails Cat full coverage medium square nails along with the glue as well. It's the first time trying it. So here's what it looks like, super pretty. So I'm just going in and showing you guys everything step by step. I did put off some peel off coat because I will be removing these, but if you'd want your nails to last for a while, you would remove the shine off the surface of the nail with some e-file or with a nail file. Then you would go on in and put in some dehydrator and primer and then place on your nails. My favorite way to place on nails is with base coat, whether it's the regular old-fashioned tips or the full coverage nails. But then here I'm just going in and using the file that it came with this time around instead of using my e-file, since I always do so, just to show you guys that you can blend the cuticle. You can blend the cuticles of the full coverage nails using a file as well, and then also going in and removing the shine off the rest of the nails as well. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm sorry for the noise in the background. So I'm just going to continue to do this process onto the rest of the nails, and then I will be explaining as best as I possibly can on the easiest way that you can create dip powder nails. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit that notification bell to never miss out on any uploads, and subscribe if you haven't already. It would be in the absolute world. And let me know towards the end what you guys thought of this particular nail set. Let me know down below in the comments your thoughts and opinions. I hope you guys enjoy. I really liked this set, and it was actually really easy to create as well. And by the way, if you are a beginner trying to create dip powder nails, or you're interested in getting into doing these at home, I recommend 100% that you go for full coverage nails. I recommend 100% that you use full coverage nails instead of tips, just because it will be a lot easier, and you'll only have to do 2 coats at most, and you won't have to worry about building an apex. So I definitely recommend, once again, full coverage nails. Next, I'm just going in and removing the shine. Not removing the shine, I apologize. Smoothing out each individual surface of the nail. So I'm going in and buffing them out really quickly. But yeah, like I was mentioning beforehand, I definitely recommend you guys use full coverage nails. Using dip powder is just a lot easier. So I decided also to go with short nails. These are medium length, but I decided to go with a shorter length than I usually do so, just because I feel like dip powder is just a lot easier to do them with short nails, just because you do have to dip them constantly. That is the method, that's why it's called dip powder. But yeah, here I'm just finishing this up, and I will be right back. So now I'm just grabbing my duster brush and removing the dust off the nails, and then I'm just going to show you what they look like. And now we're going to move on to the process. So I went with a glittery nude, and then I grabbed a tool just to mix, because you know they've been sitting, so I wanted to make sure it was mixed properly. And the first step that we're going to go in with is step 1, which is the base. This is what creates the nail. So I like to start 3/4 of the nail and then build myself up to the cuticle, and just do a total of 2 rounds, if that makes sense. So here you guys are seeing it, that after I'm done, remember to always go in with thin layers. You don't want your nails to be thick, and then you have to do a lot of filing. And just remember to be neat with this. If you are neat with it, you definitely won't have a lot to do after you're done building the nails. So I'm just gonna repeat this process onto the rest of my nails, and then I will only be showing 2 of the layers because that is all I did on camera. So remember, it's best if you use full coverage tips, a lot easier. I like beginning 3/4 of the nail and just building myself up to the cuticle. Once I have that thin layer spread out throughout the nail properly, I go in, I dip it at a 45-degree angle, and then I go in and dust it off. So you guys will see here, I just had to push the powder a little bit more because the nails were a little too long for the container, but I did go in with some medium square nails. But yeah, this is really fun, really easy. Some people might find it tedious, but I felt like along my journey as I did powder nails, I just tried to like minimalize everything. I tried to make it as neat, organized, and easy as possible. So I'm just sharing my tips and tricks with you all. So I hope this video is helpful. But yeah, I had a lot of fun creating these nails, and I actually forgot how fun dip powder was. Very easy, very effective, and you'll have salon nails unless, honestly, I did these nails maybe 20 minutes because, you know, obviously behind the scenes I have to get some stuff and like move the camera around, like organize my space while I'm doing it. I have to do certain things while I'm filming, but in all reality, I think it took about 20 minutes or less. But then again, I only did one hand, but still, it's very, very fast, very easy, and it's fun. I'm not gonna lie, when I first started, I didn't like dip powder, but not really. I honestly enjoy it. It's easy. Like I mentioned, the trick is using full coverage nails and also being organized and neat. And you won't have much to do. And remember, keeping the layers thin when applying the base, because if you don't, then you'll have a lot of filing to do and you kind of mess with the shape. So just keep that in mind, and remember, practice makes perfect. Just because you didn't get it the first couple times doesn't mean you should give up, and that goes for anything. But yeah, now that I am done with that, I'm just going in, and remember, in between layers, always use your duster brush to remove the dust, just to avoid your brush from hardening. So now I'm going in with my second layer, just repeating the same process, and I'll be back once this is over. So see you guys in a few. So here I'm just going in with the opposite end of my cuticle picker and just kind of fixing the shape towards the cuticle. But then after that, I just went in and dusted off everything. And then we're going to go in with step 2, which is the activator. And this is really important because this is what hardens the nails. So usually people only do one coat. I only showed one coat on camera, but I actually did another off camera. I always like to do 2 coats just to secure everything and make sure everything's fine. So here I'm just showing you once again 1 coat, but I do like to do 2. It's all up to you. It's all your preference and your choice. But yeah, this is used to activate the dip powder and harden the nails. So yeah. And supposedly they say that dip powder is like a thinner version of acrylic. So next I'm going in and just filing the nails. I'm just using my Eno Couture nail file. And then I'm going in with the activator once again. I like to do this, you don't have to, but after I'm done filing and shaping, I like to go in with the activator once again just to make sure everything is composed well. And then lastly, I'm just going to go in with my favorite top coat, which is the Madam Glam. Which is the Madam Glam No Wipe top coat. And you can use the one that the dip powder kit uses. I just like using this particular top coat because it is my favorite. And then after that, we're just going to go in the UV lamp and cure the nails for 60 seconds. And then I'll be applying some cuticle oil. And that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. Would you guys wear these nails? Would you rock them? And also let me know if you guys enjoy dip powder, if you've tried it or you're meaning to. I would love to know. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know. Don't forget to comment down below. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.